What's up and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on a Malibu Wagon. It has a 305 under the hood. The power steering is there. The AC on this one is not hooked up. What we're going to do in this video is walk around, point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know everything about this vehicle. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures. We also have financing and shipping available on all of our vehicles. Here on YouTube, you could catch test drives and walk arounds. I was just doing a test drive. I stopped over here in the parking lot to do a little walk around. We're going to try to pick all the flaws I can. That way y'all feel satisfied about coming up here and purchasing a vehicle from us. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Every day I'm posting videos. All right, coming around the front. Car actually looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. I've always liked the wagons. Front bumper's not brand new, but it is in good shape. Same with the grille. The body looks pretty straight looking down the side. The tires are in good shape. Nice set of aluminum wheels. You got a pinstripe running down the side of the car, but it does have some defects right here. There's a bump right there and a bump right there in the paint. Let's go ahead and check all the lower panels for any kind of rust or issues. Go back this way. It's like a scratch right up here. Coming down the side, coming down. There's a crack right here. You see that? Keep on moving. We got a chip in the door. I'm gonna go all the way to the back. We're starting that lower panel, like I said. Got some issues with the trim. Yeah, it looks like dirt. Got kicked up. Touch-up mark there. Coming down the middle, Malibu looks pretty cool. Door's pretty slick. Coming up this way, then you got some touch-up marks here below the handle, and above the handle there's a crack in the paint. Right below it there's another one, and another one. Got some pinstriping, swishing around your mirrors. Swishing, swooshing, whatever. Everybody likes dice. Trim looks good around the windows. The roof looks great. Not really seeing any issues up here. We'll work our way back around to the hood. Towards the end of the video, we'll end up shutting it after we start it. I went ahead and opened this back hatch and everything just so it was easier for the camera. I'm not flipping it around. Weather stripping looks pretty good. You got tint on your back window. Carpet's in good shape. Way up there. Nice and clean back here. Let's go ahead and shut this up. Shuts nice and easy. Yeah, it locks up pretty good. Malibu Classic. Back bumper's in the same shape as the front. Not new, but doesn't look bad. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna run down the lower panels all the way down this side of the car as well. And we'll come back and go through the upper. A little scratch back here. Checking some of the trim. Exhaust kicked out behind the driver's rear tire. Got a couple chips right there in the paint. Checking the bottom of the door. A little chip there where people are getting in and out of the door. Little watermarks there. Coming on. Car actually looks pretty solid, except for this bumps right here. A little rust trying to bump through. Coming up around the fender. Looks good. Little chip there. Not too bad. All right, we're gonna work our way back down here behind the bumper. Paint's a little bit rough. I believe that's a rubber piece they painted over, and that's why it looks like that. You got a chip right there in the crack. Turn signal markers right here. Got a crack in it. Coming down the side of the car, there's a bump right there. Real small stuff, real small. Freehand stripe there looks good. Chip right here in the door. Little bubble there popping up on the paint. Got your gas cap. Oh, there's some rust coming through right here on the top. You see that? A bunch of bubbles all through there. Looking for anything else here. Not too bad. Fender looks pretty good. The hood looks awesome. The artwork. 305. This thing's pretty quick for a 305. Runs good. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior. We'll get this motor started up and then look underneath it. Door panel's not too bad. Some of the paint's chipping a little bit inside it. Weather stripping looks pretty good around the door. Jam's not too bad. Carpet's not too bad. Still got some paint chipping right here inside the door. You see the seat's wearing out. A little bit of wear there. The seatbelt's all crazy. It works. It's all spun up. B&M shifter in the floor. Go ahead, place your bets. You think that horn works? The dash does have a few cracks in it. We'll get back to that in a second. Looking around the interior in here. Not too bad. Headliner's great. Go ahead and jump off in here. Checking out that dash. See, it's got a few cracks. Go ahead and start it up. Oil pressure's around 20, rev it up, goes to 40. Engine temperature about 170, 180. Air. AC's not hooked up, but heater is, and it's blowing. Got the face of the radio in the office. Wipers, they do work. I'm not gonna hit it because it's gonna end up hitting the hood right there. We gotta shut the hood down to make it work. Do got a tilt column. Horn? No, horn on this one. Does have a good sound to it. Go ahead and check that out. Motor's nice and quiet. Alright guys, getting ready to do some undercarriage shots. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Let's go ahead and shut this hood down, see what it looks like. Shuts down pretty good. Lines up good. It's in good shape. All right, let's take a look under this. Our exhaust is rattling over here. Exactly what it is. I pushed down on the tip and it stopped. hit that subscribe button. Please help me by sharing these videos. Y'all do the great job of doing that too. So I want to thank you. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Got those detailed pictures for all of our inventory there. All right, guys, let's get back to the test drive. You can find it at the end of this one, about the last 30 seconds. Later.